What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I will be putting a little upgrade on my St. Victor AR pistol. I will be adding a front sight and a rear sight, and the sights that I chose were the Magpul Mbus Pro front sight and rear sight. Let's go ahead and unbox these and let's put them on, man. Let's see, it comes with directions. So there's the rear sight. It's actually pretty hefty. I'm used to the plasticky ones, but this one's made out of metal. It also has two separate eye holes to look through. Let's go ahead and put that puppy on. So the first thing you want to do is unload the rifle. Make sure there's no round in the chamber. All right. And then you kind of want to see where you want your sights to lay. I've always put them just in the back. Some people put them up here. Some people put them in the middle. I just always prefer putting them in the back. So let's go ahead and unscrew this. Hold that in place. That's pretty simple. There's your rear side. Let's go ahead and do the front side. Again, comes with instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's the front sight. Once again, that's some pretty hefty. That's a pretty hefty sight. Let's go ahead and pop that one on. Hold that down, screw that side in, and shebang, you're all done. And there are your iron sights. Overall, I think that's some pretty good, very heavy duty, just in my experience, heavy duty iron sights. I've only ever seen the plastic ones like that. But yeah, I think it's a well-needed addition because every weapon, every rifle, every pistol should have iron sights for backup. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.